Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we ran Moose across the scales. Find out what he truly weighs. So we came down to a local recycler and we ran him across the scales. And found out that his weight is 5,020 pounds. So not bad. We got a 9,000 pound winch, so we should be good to get my own butt out. Not as heavy as I thought he'd be, for sure. I thought he was going to be a lot heavier, to be honest. We still have quite a bit of weight to put on this thing yet. We haven't done the rock slides, we haven't done the roll bars / any caging we're going to do, and a few other mods that I want to make to this thing to make him unique and also, like I say, be able to do some recoveries and stuff. So we still got some weight to throw in it, but still we're staying in a reasonable, definitely a reasonable rate, a lot better than I thought we were. So anyways, I'll show you the printout, and we had some guesses on what Moose would weigh. So we'll show you the list, the guesses, and who was the winner. And then it was only family and friends. I hadn't done it publicly. And then just for giggles, we did that. So that's it for this little part. Hope you enjoyed. And now you know what Moose weighs. And we plan on getting them out on the trail some more. Where I am, we have absolutely no snow for winter wheeling right now. We are due to get a storm, so maybe we'll get out and play in some more snow, or we might be going mudding and then out to the rocks, but we'll have to see. But currently we have 0 for snow. Nothing. Nada. Yes, my windshield's dirty. Anyways, for now, that's it. I'll see you next video.